Welcome to the service clinic at Low Country Harley-Davidson. I'm Doc Harley. For all you guys that do your own services, here is a safety bulletin. Well, it's a safety for me that I don't have to work so hard. You know, we have these plastic dipsticks for the transmission. It only takes 25 to 75 inch-pounds and put it in by hand. Yes, it takes a 3/8 Allen to undo it, but use your fingers in putting it in. Yeah, somebody put it in with a wrench, cross-threaded it, plastic and aluminum, did not want to come out. Guys, come on, let's put a new O-ring on it. Start it by hand. If you don't feel it going in the first two threads, stop, undo it, try it again. Let's do it really nice and easy putting this in. We're not dealing with the old metal ones anymore, guys. We got plastic. Don't put any sealant on it. Just get yourself a new O-ring, start it by hand, and put it in. And if you don't have a torque wrench, just a slight little, it doesn't take much. 25 to 75 inch-pounds? I don't know if I can even feel 25 inch-pounds. Guys, take your time in doing your oil changes and take your time putting this in, so I don't have to find every piece of destructive tool that I own just to get this out. Because if I had to drill, which I really couldn't do, I can't get plastic out of the transmission. That means full transmission take apart. And you sure don't want to afford that. Take your time, guys. Do it right. I'm Doc Harley. We'll see you next week.